This video is for people who want to know how to talk to AI. AI can mean a lot of things, but in this video we're talking about text-based services like ChatGPT, Claude and Gemini. Most of the time AI can figure out the answer you need. Sometimes you need to give it a little help. You need to know how to speak AI. Any question or instruction you give to AI is called a prompt. Prompt engineers specialize in AI communication. We can take what they've learned and boil it down to a few simple principles. Think of AI as a super intelligent person that knows almost everything, but it lives in a box and knows nothing about us. We can only communicate with it by passing a message through a hole, and it can only respond on screen. To see why this is important, imagine a drama student who asks AI, "Give me some tips on script writing." But script could mean a play, film, computer program, medical prescription, writing system, and what kind of answer does she want? She could be a child, amateur, professional. Does she want a detailed answer, summary, table, bullet points? Sounds obvious, but people forget this, so think of the genius in the box who can't see you. Here are the basic principles, and then we'll see the secret to making them work. Clarity. AI needs to know exactly what you're asking. Not, can you recommend some good books? Tell it about yourself and what sorts of books you like and don't like. Context. Give AI some background. Don't ask, give me a lesson plan for a writing workshop. Give it background, timeframes, details and goals. Role. Giving AI a role helps it give you high-quality, relevant responses. Try adding phrases like act as a before you ask your question, like act as a Photoshop expert. Examples. Examples help AI understand how to approach your question. Use as many as you need. Examples tell AI what your answer should look like. Format. Tell AI how to respond. What format do you want? Any particular style? For difficult subjects, you can ask AI to respond in simple language. So now the secret to AI magic. Conversations. When you write a prompt, you're starting a conversation. Now you can ask for clarification, ask it to reply in a different way, ask it to expand on a point, or move the conversation in a new direction. You can paste text and ask it for a summary, or ask it to write something else in the same style. You can even ask AI to help you write a prompt. Tell it your goal and ask what information you need to include in a good prompt. Ask it for an example. Conversations help with complex subjects. Now we can break our question into steps. According to prompt engineers, heading "Let's think step by step" or "Show your working" can force AI to break down and solve your problems more reliably. Asking for web links means you can check information from other sources. This is useful when your questions are important, as AI can make things up, what prompt engineers call AI hallucinations. So let's summarize. When you talk to AI, think of it as the genius in the box who can't see you. Sometimes it needs a little help. Remember, clarity matters. Context can aid understanding. Roles get it focused. Examples show it how to approach your question. Format is up to you. And remember, you're in a conversation, so keep asking until you get the outcome you need. Just like you would a real person who lives inside a computer. I hope this video has been useful. Please like and subscribe for more content.